According to the National Association of Realtors profile of a home buyer and seller, less than 3% of homes sell because of an open house. The open house technique is familiar and quite often used, but what about using strategic digital marketing?
Not many realtors are proficient in this because digital marketing is difficult and takes time to learn. Strategic digital marketing and the fear of technology often overwhelm many agents. We're John and Claire Hickey with Engel and Voelkers, and we specialize in using the most up-to-date 21st century tools and practices. All of our homes receive a massive digital online footprint.
Our homes show up where buyers are looking, which according to NAR is online. In fact, 93% of buyers start their home search online. We specialize in exposing our homes online on all available platforms.
You see, here is the problem. Most homes are still being sold the way we were taught to sell them 20 years ago, even just a few years ago. We, however, specialize in exposing your home to thousands of people, and we can prove it. And we're able to retarget our homes to people who've previously shown interest in a home similar to the ones that we currently have for sale.
Since today's buyers usually start their online search for a home 6 to 9 months before they even start to go into open houses, we quite possibly are already in touch with people who would be interested in your home.
Waiting for them to show up to an open house could be too late for your perfect buyer. So the home receiving all this digital exposure could be yours.
Our team specializes in reaching out to the masses, and this is vital. Mastering digital marketing and social media is really important, and hiring a real estate advisor who has mastered the ability to do this will put more money in your pocket.
You see, creating a vast digital marketing footprint and targeting buyers is just as important to us as giving our sellers high-quality touches throughout the experience. Experienced negotiations and outstanding customer service are vital.
We believe it's essential to give your home the exposure it deserves and to give you the experience and customer service that you should expect. Even though homes are selling pretty quickly due to limited inventory, we know that lack of digital marketing and exposure will end up costing the sellers more money than they realize.
So we go above and beyond in this manner. Pretty much everyone knows someone who's in real estate. When choosing your real estate agent, consider placing your most valuable asset in the hands of someone who is truly experienced and qualified to sell, market, and negotiate on your behalf.
Call us. You'll be amazed at the level of service and unique strategies that we use to get your home sold. Regardless of how big or small the house is, we provide the same specialized marketing plan that is relevant to today's market.
We're John and Claire Hickey, and we love guiding you home.